Hi everyone. Now we're going to Barangay Lakandula because Korean aggressor live in Mabalacat, same our city from Mabalacat, and we're going to first to his barangay because we have document from police. We will give document to barangay for process. We have 2 cases already from me, from foreigner to foreigner because Korean foreigner, from Shaira Filipino to foreigner to Korean. This is barangay because barangay need to give chance to him return money and say sorry like this. What need to do? First we need to go to barangay because we have document from police. So if Korean not come to barangay, this police already will arrest him. Okay, Shaira, let's go. Hi everyone. Now we finish already in Barangay Lakandula. This is Korean give before to police station fake document. His document is with fake address. He not live already 2 years for this address in Lakandula. So we don't have any information about where he live, and also police don't know. So we have certificate right now from this barangay. We've been also in barangay Balibago. He also not in barangay Balibago. That's why we now go to again to investigator in police station, and we continue work because they need to already find where he live. Again we in Balibago, Fields Avenue. We're going to again to police station right now. We have all document for arrest with Korean. Peso. Село Комбо. From police we're going to again to Barangay Balibago for confirmation. Another confirmation need. Barangay Balibago Hall. Hi everyone. In Barangay Balibago we been, they not give to us document. They said go to police again. So we going to police again. Shaira already tired to walk. Traffic again. Now 4:25 p.m. bicycle driver know us. Yeah, they say it's my life. Say hi to us. Shaira, of course, don't want to go to Walking Street, but I also don't like now go to Walking Street. Just going to back side of Walking Street. Guys, I already talked with boss of police in police station 4 about filming in the Walking Street. They say to me, you can walk with camera in the Walking Street, allowed. So not problem to filming in the Walking Street. Just who don't like in the video, not filming him only. For example, who don't want in the video, just for example, he need to say to you, I don't want in the video. It's okay, you can edit video in the home and not upload video with his face. Same I do it always. Who don't want in my video, I always edit video. I not upload video who don't want in my video, or I blur video. So, but this Korean man, maybe he don't know my YouTube channel. I don't know. Maybe he watch video from another YouTube channel with his face. I don't know also. Because in my video, I edit who don't like, I edit video. And don't have. I blur face. Always I blur face. Who don't want? We already here. Walking Street. Shaira tired. Again, come back to police station. Shaira so tired. Also, guys, if you have problem, also you can go to ACTA. ACTA is, guys, is Angeles City Tourist Auxiliary. Is ACTA. They help to you also. Okay, let's go. Now time 5 p.m. Already sunset. So what, Shaira, it's good?
We have already affidavit of law, and already from prosecutor will take some warrant of arrest for this Korean.
Big dog.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, dog name Petra. Nice dog.
We don't want to go outside.
Yeah.
We don't want to go. I don't like.
Nice dog, yes?
Yes.
Yes, good dog. SM. Shaira said, don't want it in Japanese restaurant again.
Because I'm so hungry and little bit tired because I use heels. That's why I need to more power. Because we need to do more some. We need to resolve this problem. And we can have some justice. Justice.
Traffic here. We want to park in SM Clark. Shaira don't want already walk from Choking to SM Clark. She said, okay, we go to we use car. Usually we walk, but she already don't want walk. She said, okay, use car to the SM City Clark. Okay, I said.
Because it's easy. If you park your car also in the SM, you can go near to your car.
Да, for me it's okay, park and walk. It's easier to walk for
I
me.
can walk, but I'm so tired because
No, today only tired, today.
today only tired because I need to also rest little bit because I do something last night. So I need to rest little bit right now. And also I don't have energy because I not eat yet. I don't have energy, guys. If I have energy, I have a lot of. I can walk so many, and I can do more. But right now, I don't have energy yet. It's little bit only. That's why I drink little bit. I drink coffee from McDonald's so that I can be more active. Before I'm already sleepy because I'm so tired. And I'm waiting for my food already.
So you won't go to the Japanese restaurant again, same.
Yes. And people said I always do like this. Like this, Leon. Like this. That's my mannerism already.
Okay. Sunset right now.
Yes, it's so good. But really so hot before.
Yeah, daytime.
Really daytime so hot. This time most of worker go home because it's 5 o'clock, and then the other traffic time is 9 o'clock. 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock because it's from SM and from Clark also go home. So if you want to come back early to your home or don't have traffic, better 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. and 8 o'clock in the evening better, or 11 like this.
So we turn to SM Clark. We will try to find parking near Maxicare. I already see have
Oh, have also
two parking have.
3.
It's okay. Because we already today I pay for parking maybe 3 times already pay for 20 peso. Many places.
Have 3 parking already, I think.
Yeah, we can go inside. We parking car near security guard here in SM City Clark. Yes, yes. What is company, Shaira?
It's DXI, it's a call center.
Call center.
Most of the buildings are call centers here, company.
That's why so many people here.
Yes.
Day and night. This is MaxiCare. We always go to MaxiCare if need doctor. MaxiCare is good. Oh, so many people inside. MaxiCare, so many people.
Yes, as usual, always there. So many people. Jaiko, it's so good. Donuts here.
Hmm?
Jaiko. It's
What?
so delicious donut.